Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial involving volume and surface area of cylinders and prisms. Okay, so in this example we have a cylinder and a cuboid. Okay, it goes by Bella fills a cylinder completely with water. She then transfers all the water into a cuboid and the water level reaches a height HCm. Okay, so you can see the details of the cylinder and the cuboid. And our first question is find the volume of cylinder. Leaving your answer to two decimal places. This is quite simple, right? So volume of cylinder, let me write this down. So volume of cylinder is equals to half times by pi r square times by height. Okay, because they fill up all the way, completely filled with water, that means the height is equals to 10 cm. So half times by pi times by 8 square times by 10. Okay, so take your calculator to get your answer and you'll get 1005.3096. So this one will give us 1005.31 cubic centimeters because they want us to give your answer in two decimal places. Okay, so this is our answer for part A. So for part B, let's have a look here. Sorry, this next one. So for part B, it says find the value of H. So what happens is all the water that we have filled up in the cylinder is transferred into the cuboid, and the volume is assumed to be the same. Okay, so volume, previously the volume is equals to 1005.3096. Okay, so 1005.3096 is equivalent to the volume of the water in the cuboid. So volume of cuboid is obtained by taking length times breadth times by h. Okay, so 1005.3096 is equals to, the length is 30, the breadth here is 8 times by h. Okay, so our objective is to find the height. So height is basically 1005.3096 divided by your 30 times by 8. Okay, so using our calculator, we will get, so H will be 4.18879. Okay, so this one is equals to 4.19 centimeters in three significant figures. Okay, that is our H. Okay, so lastly, find the total surface area of the cuboid. So part C is a total surface area of cuboid. So what we know about a cuboid is it consists of 6 spaces. Okay, so let's look at the lines, the blue color lines here. Okay, so this is one face and these two are the same. Okay, so we have one pair. Another one in red will be one rectangle and the one at the back, front and back. And lastly, the one in green will be at the top surface, okay, and the bottom surface. So basically there are 3 pairs of rectangles that you need to find the area. Okay, that will give you the total surface area of this cuboid. So let's find the one on the left and right. So left and right is 2 times of 9 times by 8. Okay, that is our left and right side. What about the front and back? Will be 2 times of front is 30 and the height is 9 cm, 30 times by 9. And lastly, the one top and bottom is 2 times of 30 times by 8. Okay, so we add up all these values, we will get our total surface area. All right. Okay, so using our calculator, we will get for the first one 144, second one 540, and lastly 480. Okay, so finally all these values will sum up to 1164 square centimeters. Okay, it's an exact value, so we'll just keep it to this way. All right. So it's quite simple for this example. The most important part is understanding how to do part B. The volume of the water from the cylinder is equal to the volume of water inside the cuboid. Okay, so that's why we put them into an equation to find our height. Okay, let's recap here. So this is the volume of water in the cylinder at first. Okay, and this amount of water is now inside the cuboid. So it takes the formula for the volume of cuboid, length times breadth times by height, and that's how we are going to find our height. All right. Okay. So that's it for this example. So you can start working on your exam papers or your revision questions, and it should be okay. So I'll see you at our next tutorial.